I know. This is Marley's first bully stick. Connor, you're not laughing now that I say the word bully stick. See if he'll let you take it from him.
I don't want to touch it.
Just no, so he knows, so he doesn't get food aggressive. Just say, "Let me have that stick." Say, "Good boy." Now give it back to him. Good boy, Marley. Good boy. Let me see. Can I see it? Can I see it? Good boy. Maybe this will keep him entertained, huh? Marley got a little hyper right before Sean left for PetSmart to get the bully stick. He ran full blast through the house for about 5 minutes straight. Jumping all over the couches, huh? He wouldn't stop. He was like a bouncing doodle.